Rabbi Naftali of Rapshit says, there's a pasuk we say, Tehillah lemikra kodesh, zecher litziat Misraim. Rabotai, where do we say this pasuk? In Kiddush. What does the pasuk say? Tehillah lemikra kodesh, zecher litziat Misraim. He explains like this. If you want to have Tehillah lemikra kodesh, if you want to become a kodesh, a good person, you want to have a new beginning, Tehillah, new beginning, zecher, remember, litziat Misraim. Remember what happened by Misraim. What did Hashem do by Misraim? We were just like the Egyptians. We were on the same level like the Egyptians. But what does Hashem say? He brings us up, and He brings us up to the highest level. The Zohar HaKadosh, Zohar Helek Aleph Daf Chav Bet, says that the Dor HaMidbar was on the highest level ever, never was, never will be a generation like Dor HaMidbar. Because Hashem put them through the ringer, Hashem cleaned them up, Hashem polished them, cleaned them so much that they were the highest generation. But where were they first? In the gutter, in the mud. Rabbi Naftali of Rapshit says, same thing can happen with you. If you want to have Tehillah Mikra Kodesh, if you want to be a Kodesh, Zecher, remember, Yesiat Misraim. Remember what happened by Yesiat Misraim.
Just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.